Welcome to Royal Pavilion Estate. Let me just guide you all throughout the garden. Brighton Dome Con Exchange, Brighton Dome Concert Hall and Cafe Bar, Brighton Dome Studio Center, entrance, New Road Cafe, New Street. So here it is. In the 1990s, this garden was restored to its original Regency Splendor following John Nash plans of the 1820s, creating natural environment was central to the Regency garden design with unaged beds and a grasscape longer in the modern lawns. And the Royal Pavilion is open daily to visitors from 9:30 am to 5:45 pm, April to September, and the time changes with the winter, 10 am to 5:15 pm, closed from 2:30 pm to 24 December, reopening 27 December. And this was for 2025. Come inside, walk the Royal Pavilion Rainbow. Hey, you see this rainbow? They just painted a new rainbow. Imagine a palace where every room bursts with a color, from a dazzling pink gallery for promenading to a garden, golden lit yellow bedroom for unwinding after a day with a Brighton's glittery. Like having a striking blue breakfast room. Oh, they painted everything in there as well. Yeah, different variety of plants. There are some species also like squirrels, Wow, how beautiful it looks. Stunning. So here I was talking about Indian architectural features. Royal Pavilion. Here they are mentioned left. This was beautiful. 1826, something like this. The Indian style of Royal Pavilion was a novelty. These forms are rarely used in the day. New Church Street. Beautiful. The fragrance. It has fragrance to this place. Calm, serene, tranquil.